right here we have me installing my own 12-volt LEDs, some simple soldering. Link in description below for where I got these off of Amazon. Enjoy. Here we go. Little set of LEDs wired in, triggering off of a 12-volt source. Pretty cool. I will definitely know if my two-step is on. Here we are on the bench harness. I got 12 volts mimicking the car. I got my switch right here. The LED's off. So the way it goes on, hit the switch, bam, they're on. So I now have some really nice LEDs to help me figure out when the two-step is active. I installed those right there. You know, just as the way it is. The person before me already drilled the hole, so I didn't have to do anything. So as you can see, press down all the way. There they are, active. Let go. Active. Let go. Active. Let go. Active. Very happy with how this is. And now this help out with racing. Here we are doing a quick test. Right there should be activated. Oh yeah, she's rowdy.